Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the installation of Cody's Food Clinic new software. So this is the installer exe file. We will open this software and I'll install the files. After installation of this file, click finish and we are going to do the configuration of this new Food Clinic software. For that, we need a license key to be applied. This is the license key folder where we have the complete list of product license key in different combinations. You can choose any of these respecting to the customer's requirement. So we have all those kinds like ABI Ultra, VPT, CAN, Doppler, HCP, HCP Ultra. So whatever this thing, you have this content. Now we are going to this configure this software. After installation, you are going to open this Cody's Food Clinic V2. So we have to enter the username and password. Initially it's root. Password is secret123. So after typing this, you have to click sign in. So after clicking sign in, initially we have, this is the home screen. Initially we have to configure the software using this license key. By clicking settings, we have to click this app configuration. After that, you have to click this edit. So then corresponding to the customer's requirement, you have to open this key file so that you may have it in your pen drive and you can save somewhere else. And you can now we are going to do all product installation. So where we have a complete list of all products. So we have to open this by clicking right click and open with. We have to choose the application notepad and click OK. So after clicking OK, we are we have to save this, copy this key. You can either click control C or control right click control, you can copy. After copying, you have to just here you have to press control V or control V. The file will be saved and you have to click this upload button. So corresponding to this all product key, you have to open this thing and click all product key and open. So and you have to click save. So after some time, the software gets registered in the clinic name. So initially it will be in our company name, and you have to we can change this by clicking settings, and under hospital profile you can have the our company information. So you can change this respecting to the customer's name and hospital. So right now we are doing it in Metas Type Disk Lab. So this is a demo content. So we are entering this details and phone number whichever they have, you can type it here by referring the letterbed or visiting cards. So the this thing, you delete all those details and you have to type it once again. So after typing the details one by one, so this is the street information and this address information. The username password is mandatory for the initial installation setup. So you have to inform your customer to create a username and password and save it in their location in any notepad. They should save this, and this is the admin username and password. Every time we have to click this username and password and log into our software. So right now we are going to enter the username and password. So from now onwards, this is their username and password. They have to log in every time using this details. And clicking HCP, this is healthcare professional. So this is the second step. So you have to enter the doctor's name one by one. So right now we are doing it as Cody's, and I am selecting all those information. I mean, test specialty means it refers the testing which our application supplies. On clicking save, the doctor information gets saved and it will be listed here. And so every time you have to click the enter the patient before starting the test. That is very mandatory, and you have to enter the patient. Now we are doing test. The asterisk at the right of everything of every key criteria is mandatory. You should enter compulsorily. Patient ID, if you want, you can add that, and state also you can add it if you want. Then all those initial three procedures are completed. Now we are going to do the testing in our now we go to show the demonstration of VPT Ultra. So as I entered, first three digits of a patient name should be entered and doctor has to be selected. On clicking next, it will go to the software screen. This is how the software screen look like. So this shows the instrument is connected or not, and here you have to type the key which will be printed at the back of the device. You have to have the look, and you have to type the key, 12-digit key, and connection type is USB and Bluetooth. Regarding Bluetooth configuration, I have made a separate video. I'll also put that link here. So now we are going to enter the software using customer details, which I have saved right now. So we are going to do the demonstration in device that I will be showing it right now. So far we have seen how Cody's Food Clinic software is installed. Now we are going to configure this thing. See, at the back of the device we have a key. So this key you have to type here. It's already configured here in the software. Open. Click test. So under device configuration you have to enter this key and you have to click save. Then the details will get saved and USB light will be blinking. So this is, we can do foot, not only foot, we can do hand, we can do test others also. Now we are going to take the testing in foot. On clicking start test, so value 0 will come here. It's an auto program device for which you have to just press one time. The vibration will be increased linearly. So as soon as the patient got vibration, you have to click this minus to pause. And clicking this enter, the value will be saved and moves to the next position. So similarly you can raise again. The values in the screen also will raise again. If you want to pass, you can just click this -1, it will get passed. Clicking this enter, you save the value. So we similarly will do testing in all sites. Now we have performed complete testing and we will go to save the report. On clicking save, the report will get saved. If you want to get the report, generate report will give the generator report. You can even change to table view, graphical view. This is all about a new program and testing. Any doubts, you please ask me. I will clarify. Thank you so much.